Let's start with our first 11 letters. Now I'm going to give you the sounds that the Russian letters give. A, as in the word up. B, as in the word barrel. V, as in the word violin. Pay attention, this letter is a tricky one because it does look like B in English, so you think, oh, it should give the sound B. No, no, no. This is B and this one is V. B, barrel, V, violin. G, as in the word goose. D, as in the word dragon. Y, as in the word yeti. Yo, as in the word yoga. Zh, as a beetle that flies and does zh. Z, as a mosquito that flies and does zzz. E, as in the word Italian. E short, I краткая. Y, as in the word yippee, an Italian who sees pizza. Now let's try to read some words with these letters. G, I, D. Guide, guide. And this word? Yo, zh. Remember a beetle? Yoj, yoj, hedgehog. Before we proceed to 11 more letters, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Yula and I know how to help you to learn Russian. I know it for two reasons. First, I'm a professional. I got my Ph.D. in Linguistics in the Rostov State University. The second reason that might be even more important is that I know the difficulties that are in front of you, as I have studied 3 languages myself and I'm learning the 4th. I've been in your shoes many times, so I know how to help you overcome them.
Do you want to study with me? Join my channel and click on the notifications bell.
Now I'm going to tell you the sounds that the letters give. This is important for reading. K as in cactus. L as in lion. M as in mountain. N as in ninja. O as in orange. P as in parking. R similar to the sound in the word rose. Russian R is very different from English. We pronounce by moving the tip of the tongue very fast up and down. R. There is a lesson about it in my complete easy Russian course. S as in snake. T as in tuna. U as in oops. F as in flower. Let's see some examples of the words with these letters. L, A, Y, K, like. And this word, K, L, I, K. Click, click, like. And now let's see 11 more letters. H as in C as in tsunami. Ch as in ciao. Sh as in shorts. Sh as in sheep.
Hard sign. Hard sign is a particular letter. It doesn't give its own sound. It only shows that the preceding consonant was hard and not soft. But we will speak about it in the lessons to follow.
Uy. Well, I think of it like this. Imagine you have an axe and you have some wood and you have to cut it and you do uy. If you don't know how to pronounce this sound, uy, there is the whole technique in my complete video course. Soft sign. Soft sign shows that the previous consonant is soft or palatized. E, as in elk. U, like the first letter of my name. In fact, my name in Russian is Yulia. U.
And finally, the last letter of the Russian alphabet. Letter Ya. Ya. Ya is the last letter of my name, and it's also a real word in Russian. It means I. Ya, I. This is me. To remember this letter better, what you can do is imagine yourself a ballerina, or if you're a man, a superman. So take this position and say "я."
Good news, "ya" is also the last letter of the alphabet, so you have learned all of them now. Try to read this word. Yula. Yulia. This is my name. And this word? L-U-N-A. Luna, which means moon. And this is where I live. I-T-A-L-I-A. Italia, Italy. I live in Italy. You see, you have already learned all the 33 Russian letters. If you want to learn Russian with me, click on the link in the description. There, you will also find the drawings that will help you to remember the Russian letter and 1000 Russian words that you can already read and understand. Go and check for yourself. And I will see you in the next video. Пока-пока!